Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you and answer your question how old you're going to have to be when you want to sign up for Indeed. So, this is how you're going to find out the age requirements for using Indeed in 2026. Whether you're looking for your first part-time job or just getting a head start on your career, it is important to know the rules for creating an account. First, you need to know the minimum age to create an Indeed account, which actually changes depending on where you live. If you are in the United Kingdom, the European Economic Area, Switzerland, Turkey, or Ukraine, you must be at least 18 years old to create an account and use the site's services. In most regions, including the United States, Canada, and the Philippines, the minimum age requirement is 16 years old. Next, keep in mind that being old enough to use Indeed is different from being old enough for a specific job. While you can browse and apply at 16 in many places, many individual employers have their own age requirements. For example, some retail or fast food roles may hire 16-year-olds with a valid work permit, while roles involving high machinery, alcohol service, or driving usually require you to be at least 18 or 21. When you're looking at job postings, always check the job description for a section labeled age requirement or minimum age. If you are under 18, you should also look for the easily apply tag as these often simplify the process, but you may still need to provide documentation of a work permit or parental consent depending on your local labor laws. To stay safe, never lie about your age on your profile. Indeed uses your account data to verify your identity and match you with legal employment opportunities. If you're under the age limit for your region, it is best to wait until you reach that milestone to avoid having your account flagged or permanently closed. And that is how old you're going to have to be for when applying for Indeed account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.